Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall MeisterTask boards and automations easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall MeisterTask boards, begin by logging into your MeisterTask account. Navigate to the particular project containing the board you wish to remove. Click on the project name at the top of the screen to open the project settings. Locate the board you want to uninstall. Select the three-dot menu icon next to the board's name. From the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Delete Board. Confirm your choice in the pop-up window to finalize the deletion. Next, to uninstall automations, return to the main dashboard of MeisterTask. Access the project where the automation is set up. Click on the Automations tab in the Project menu. Find the automation you wish to uninstall. Click on the three-dot menu icon next to the automation. Select Delete Automation from the drop-down options. Confirm your choice when prompted to complete the removal. Repeat these steps as necessary for any additional boards or automations you wish to uninstall. Once you have finished, double-check your project to ensure that all unwanted boards and automations have been successfully removed. And that's it. You have now uninstalled MeisterTask boards and automations with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.